Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that today is the day, Liberation Day, and what we can expect from this. What can Trump say? It's going to happening in the afternoon around 4 p.m. Eastern time. But now let's talk about it. Also, if we're talking about the Trumps, we should also mention that Trump's sons, Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. are launching American Bitcoin, partnering up with the Bitcoin mining company. And let's talk about their goals. Also, we have GameStop, which actually completed its convertible note offering, and they accumulated around 1.5 billion US dollar, what they probably going to invest in Bitcoin. MetaPlanet has bought another amount of Bitcoin. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchainbloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, how the market looks like before the big announcement, where right now Bitcoin is up less than 1%, 84,575 US dollar, holding itself pretty well, really moving sideways, not dropping. The market is waiting now. Ethereum, the same, about 0.5% up, 1,869 US dollar. Then we have EOS, the top gainer, 16% up, DEXY 10%, and Ray up 6%. Among the losers, Story down 10%, Just My Coin down 7%, and 4 down about 6%. So when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can clearly see that, yeah, this sideways movements just continue. Yesterday we had the kind of green candle, which because of this, Bitcoin went from 82,000-ish all the way to 85,000-ish. But now today is the kind of big day what the market is waiting for now for weeks already. Liberation Day, as they call it, Trump's called it. So let's talk about it. Okay, so today is the kind of big day, and Trump's upcoming tariffs will be effective immediately. This is the White House, what the White House is saying. So basically, it's going to happening on today, 4 p.m. Eastern time in the Rose Garden. Beautiful rosy background. And well, Trump is saying that this day will make America wealthy again, this event. So everybody's very, very curious what he's saying, because actually what we will find out that actually how big the tariffs will be, then also which countries will be affected the most. And these are very, very important things. And depends what he's saying. If he's, too harsh, too strong, it's too much, it can have an impact on the market. If he's kind of easygoing, probably the market has already priced it in. And also the question, what the country is going to do in reply in the next couple of days, reply to these tariffs, the countries which will be affected. So this can cause some volatility definitely on the market, but we have already countries just like Israel. Israel eliminates remaining tariffs on US goods ahead of Trump moves. So for example, Israel said, okay, we're going to do that. You don't even have to push hard. So now the question is, what will be the reaction? Because probably if those countries saying there are no tariffs, then Trump will also step back. So it's kind of, negotiation here. But it's very, very important that it will have an impact on the market either way. If it's too strong, then definitely the market to recover, it takes a bit more time. If it's in favor of the market, then actually recovery can be sooner than we think. And yeah, the next question will be, of course, what is the Fed doing when they will start to cut interest rates? Because this will be the next step to see the market to move up. So a lot of things are happening today. And actually, oh, not this one, this one. So if it's here, the calendar, you can see here the 2nd is the Liberation Day. But tomorrow we have US initial jobless claims. Then on Friday we have Fed Chair Powell's speak, and also unemployment rates, and so on and so forth. So it's a jam-packed week, which can cause volatility on the market. So definitely the leverage trading is not the best, I believe, because the movement can be quite strong up and down, or we're going to see it. Now the market is moving sideways, waiting what's going to happen, but it's happening actually today, and it's Eastern time, 4 p.m. When the announcement it will be with all the data just before they're going to launch it, before he speaks, or during it, or after it, I'm not sure, but we definitely should watch the market around that, and yeah, act accordingly what's going to happen. Okay, next topic, as I already showed it, that BlackRock has been approved as a crypto firm by the FCA in the United Kingdom. So, well, what does it mean? Here we go. So BlackRock has been approved as a crypto firm by the FCA in the United Kingdom, and this means that the investment giant can provide crypto services in the United Kingdom. And it comes just after they announced they're coming out with the Bitcoin ETP in Europe. So it looks like not just in the United States, but BlackRock would like to promote their crypto-related activities in Europe and also in the United Kingdom. And now they just got the approval. Okay, let's move on. And now, stablecoin issuer Circle files for IPO. What it looks like that Circle would like to be listed actually on the New York Stock Exchange. Yes. So basically, stablecoin issuer Circle files for IPO and with the SEC, and you know, Circle is the company behind USDC stablecoin. And their plan is to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Now the question is that will this be kind of trend, what it was back, I don't know, the .com era, that now a lot of crypto companies will become, I don't know, listed on several or different kind of stock exchanges. Anyway, now they're going for an IPO, or, you know, this will be just Circle and just a couple of others, but not that many. We're going to see it. We're going to see it, but we can see that crypto is getting bigger and bigger in the United States, and companies taking advantage on it. Therefore, now Circle made this move. Right. And the Trump family is getting deeper and deeper into crypto. So, of course, you know that Donald Trump is definitely promoting crypto. This is not a question, but the rest of the family is also involved. And we have his sons, Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., are launching, partnered up with a Bitcoin mining firm. And they are launching their subsidiary called American Bitcoin, and they aiming largely on Bitcoin reserve and Bitcoin mining. And yeah, they partnering up. So the Trump guys looks like they getting into Bitcoin and crypto even deeper. Right, yeah, this is just the same one. Okay. And finally, let's talk about GameStop, because GameStop completed its convertible note offering, so they have now the money to buy Bitcoin. I have talked about it earlier that GameStop's plan is, the board agreed to invest in Bitcoin, but they're not using their cash. They actually, just like MicroStrategy, came up with a convertible note offering, and it has been completed, and now we're talking about roughly 1.5 billion US dollar. So the company led by CEO Ryan Cohen plans to use these funds to purchase Bitcoin basically following the full board approval to add the cryptocurrency to its corporate balance sheet. So yeah, that's I mentioned earlier. So it was already approved, and they didn't invest their cash. They actually get some through convertible note offering, and now they have it, and now this can go into Bitcoin according to their plan. There's another company, MetaPlanet keeps buying Bitcoin. They just purchased another amount, not that big amount always like MicroStrategy. They bought this time 160 Bitcoin. It's quite a lot still. And with this, they now hold 4,206 Bitcoin, but their goal for this year is 10,000 Bitcoin. So that's why they keep accumulating. Guys, that's it for today. So definitely today afternoon, we should watch what Trump is saying about the tariffs, because it can move the market. Depends how harsh he will be. But I think in the long term, crypto going to be the winner anyway. In short term, anything can happen basically. So please be careful. And that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on BlockchainBloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.